Hello, welcome to That's Easy channel. I've got another tutorial video for you, but before we dive into it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new tutorials and you'll help the channel grow. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get OpenAI API Key. First, you need to go to openai.com and log in to your account. Then you got to choose API. Now in the upper left corner, you have to choose a lock icon that says API Keys. In the next window, click on Create New Secret Key. Then you'll have to provide a name for it, and then you'll have to prove that you're a human. Now, as you can see, a new key was created. So this is it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.